Macedonia in English. Just about everything you want to know.
Institutions silent on academician Pavlovsky resignation. Institutions remained silent on the letter of academician Bozhin Pavlovsky, showing his protest on the manner in which the lustration process is conducted in Macedonia, and his decision to resign from the Macedonian Academy of Sciences and Arts and the Macedonian Writers' Association. The chair of the Academy, Vlado Kambovsky, did not respond to the media's attempts to contact him on the issue. The Writers' Association also did not react to the matter in the same way it chose to turn a deaf ear last year, after writer Dimitar Bashevsky decided to leave the association because it failed to react to the treatment of journalists in the parliament on the 24th of December. Academician Pavlovsky addressed the letter to Prime Minister Gruevski, saying that he is disgusted by the persecution of the Macedonian intellectuals who set the basis for the development of Macedonian art and culture.